I double click the file that I downloaded, and first thing it asks me is to set up the language. I'm going to continue with English. Accept the agreement. Next. You can read all these if you like. Now this is an important folder. This is where the WAMP is going to get installed. Next, install. Okay, once the installation is complete, it asks you, it wants to use Internet Explorer, or you can choose another browser. The only time I use Internet Explorer is to download Google Chrome, but it's up to you. So I'm just gonna change mine. And it's gonna use Notepad. That's fine. Now setup is done. Click next. We can launch WAMP server 64, and you will see it's running here. Once it becomes green, that's when it means it's actually running. So if it's green, means all services are running. So if you click on this, you can stop, reset, restart, or start all services. And the services are the Apache and MySQL database. Okay, these are the ones that we're going to be using. www directory. So this is the directory. Click on this. It's going to go to local wamp64/www. This is actually where you can add your PHP code for your applications. Now, another way to see if it's working, call local host, and if you see this page, means your PHP service is working. Now the next thing I'm going to try is localhost/phpMyAdmin, and this is an important tool. We're going to use this for our databases. So by default, your username should be root. You can change this, and your password should be empty. And this is phpMyAdmin. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how you can write SQL code in the editor, how you can create databases, how you can import them, and I'll see you in the next video.